A relative made the gruesome discovery when she went to the woman's Brooklyn home to fetch her belongings to take to her at a hospital. In a garbage-packed second-floor bedroom, she found a completely intact skeleton, dressed in jeans, socks, and a shirt, lying on its back on a thin mattress on the floor. The room stunk of rotten food, but there was no smell of human decay. When asked about her son, the woman told investigators that he had moved out. Family members who said they did not have a close relationship with the woman reported that they had not seen the son in about 20 years. Authorities believe the woman, who is legally blind, may legitimately not have known her son was dead in the bedroom. They also believe he died of natural causes. The son would now be 49 years old if he were still alive. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more crazy stories every week, and I'll see you next time.